Hello friends, I have one Xerox Phaser 3117 model with the following problem. As you see, the two LEDs are blinking. Now I will show you how to fix this problem. Switch off the printer. We have to take out the rear cover. There are two screws on the both sides of the cover. Take out the cover. And what we see here, we see a defective capacitor. This problem usually stands for defective capacitor on the main board. Now we have to replace it, and the printer will work again. Disconnect this connector. Disconnect the power cable, unscrew the screws, which hold the PCB. Be careful here with this sensor. We have to unscrew these two. Take out the PCB, and we have to replace this capacitor. So replace it, place back in a reverse order the board. Again, be careful with this sensor, and you will have a working printer. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.